Talaga ako ng KFC Zinger, kaya excited akong itry ang mga bagong flavors nila. So meron tayo ditong KFC Smoky Barbecue Zinger, KFC Zinger Stalker, and original KFC Zinger.
Grabe, ang bango, nakakagutom. Kaya tara, kain na tayo.
Start tayo dito sa new and improved original signature Zinger. This is definitely better. Nag-improve yung flavor niya that burst every bite. It's also bigger and meatier. Kung fan kayo ng original Zinger nila, for sure mas magugustuhan nyo din to. Now, let's try naman the Smoky Barbecue Zinger. It's smoky, the barbecue flavor is definitely there, and may hint ng sweetness. Perfect to for barbecue lovers. Last but not the least, the Zinger Stalker. It is so satisfying and filling. Paano ba naman? It has 2 chicken fillets topped with cheese and mayo. It's big, it's cheesy, it's meaty, and ang flavorful niya. Siguradong hindi ka mabibitin. Ang